Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple, easy, delicious crunch wrap using Doritos. So first I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken thighs. I've got some all-purpose, some salt, some paprika, I've got some crushed chilies, this is for spice, some garlic powder, cumin powder, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Give that all a good mix, add a little bit more oil if you need to. Marinate your boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you prefer, but I do like the thighs because they're extra juicy. Fry the chicken on 6 minutes each side until they are cooked. I like mine to be deeply browned, just like this. For the crunch wrap, I like to make an avocado dip. So I've got 1 avocado, add a tiny bit of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and if you like lemon juice, add in some citrus flavor too. This worked really well with the avocado. Then give it a really good mix and it will be like a light green color. A pinch of garlic powder just because I really like it, but you don't have to do this. This is just added on. Assemble your salad ingredients before we make our crunch wrap. You can use whatever salad ingredients you like actually. So first I'm starting out with my cheese. This is so that it melts faster. Your clean lettuce, followed by tomato, some onion, some pickled cabbage. Oh my god, I love pickled cabbage in any kinds of wrap, salad. So sweet and delicious. I've got some pickles. These pickles were really big. I've got some olives in there too. I love some olives. Some shredded chicken that we made earlier. Add in your Doritos and then crush them down. If you fold your wrap and you cannot close it, you can just use a broken tortilla at the bottom so that the mixture doesn't fall out. Then you should have a star shape that you can put into the pan with some oil and then gently fry the edges of the crunch wrap so that it's golden brown and crispy. I love this recipe because it's so easy to do. You can just use leftover chicken, you don't have to make new chicken, but this is the way I like to make my chicken for things like this. It's super flavorful, the flavor is really jam-packed and compact and in there. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!